so unnecessary. Oh, somebody help me.
Is that video?
Yes.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, go get him. Does it know what I'm saying and can't hear me? And also you when you listen to it? And will it send through your phone?
No, it won't send to my phone. Not this one.
Can you do it again?
Not all the way. Just middle. Right there. Because she talks.
She talks. I'm gonna run from it all, 'cause I'm so tired from it all being so unnecessary. Oh, somebody help me.
Lock it if you want me to see it.
'Cause I'd rather keep on running than face them.
Now it listens to your phone?
No, just when I change the
He'll
SD.
take it inside, sweetie,
Oh.
and he'll be able to put it on this computer, okay?
Oh.
I waste too much time. Alive. It's not easy when you got little motivation. It's pretty complicated. Then I know I should give it a go. What if things go wrong? What will I do then? Watching my problems pile up into something that it really shouldn't be. Up until now, I've been underestimating how bad all this would lead. Maybe I'm just scared of growing up and becoming something that I'm not. Maybe this is all because of me. As usual, I'm gonna
Run from it all.
'Cause I'm so
sick of it all.
being so
Would it send to
unnecessary.
Emma?
Oh, somebody help me. I'm falling through the words everybody
It's
says.
recording you ask Daddy
I'm gonna
questions.
run from it all. 'Cause I'm so tired of it all being so unnecessary. Oh, somebody help me. Escapist gonna run from my problems.
Oh, it said escapist. It said it. We're next.
How you know?
I don't know. Those people came out. I just feel like we're next. Those people came out too. We're next.
Hey, they're wearing masks. They're pretty. Can I tell them?
No.
Let's do this next one. Is that okay?
This one.
Switch to Sprint and get a
What is
Samsung
that?
Galaxy phone on us. It features
I
a
don't
no bezel
know.
infinity
It's a
screen,
commercial,
pro-grade
though.
camera, and all-day intelligent battery.
Oh, she skipped it. So she always saw. She's probably gonna go in the middle again.
Me?
Tap on it. Go in the middle, or you gonna watch it?
I'm gonna
There you
tap
go.
that corner.
All the songs are in the middle. So. What's she playing?
A piano.
No way.
The keyboard?
What was that for? What?
What is that kind of setup? It's called a keyboard?
Oh.
I'm asking you.
To help,
You're
silly.
probably right.
What?
What you're doing looks fun. But you also look stressed.
Stressed? I'm not stressed. Look, I need the song finished in the next 48 hours. I've done it before.
What's
I'm
48
fine.
hours? Evie?
Really?
Hmm.
Because
That's
you
2
don't
days.
look
Doesn't
fine.
even know what a day is.
Well, I am. So just let me work.
But I want to help.
I don't need your help.
You look like you could use some help. You're looking kind of stressed.
Oh, we're next. Those people are
You're
leaving.
not doing your best.
For real?
I don't know. It just feels like a lot of people are
I
coming out.
assure you I'm completely fine. Just leave me alone.
Daddy keeping himself
I can finish this
amused.
on my own.
Entertained.
Oh,
Nope.
buddy,
Oh.
when will you realize that it's okay to ask for help?
I'm doing fine now. Why don't you go
See, it's
help
okay.